वै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and my Sannyas Guru and Shiksha Guru Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So continue. I discussed about Ratha Yatra and very nice, beautiful first times we also discussed. During the Ratha Yatra car festival in Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was dancing in front of Lord Jagannath. And Jagannather Magna Prabhur Nayana Hiday Sri Hasta Juge Kare Kiter Obhinoy गौर यदि पाछे चले श्याम है स्थिरे गौर आगे चले श्याम धीरे धीरे এই মতো গৌর শ্যামের দুহে ঠেলা ঠেলি শরতে শ্যামেরে রাখে গৌর মহাবলী। His eyes and mind fully absorbed in Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to play the drama of the song with his two arms. Lord Chaitanya would raise his two arms and expressed his own sentiments, bhav. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he used to come in back of the chariot. And then chariot completely stopped. Or when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come in front of chariot, then chariot start to move, going in this way. And in this way, and Gaur Shamen, गौर यही मतो गौर समय दुहे ठेला ठेली सर तेरे समय राखे गौर महाबली. And in this way, thus there was a sort of competition between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Jagannath. He is singing who would lead. For Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strong that he made Jagannath wait for his car. Here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu means Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika, she is thinking. And Krishna, he is coming in Vrindavan with my request, or spontaneously he is coming. So for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sometimes he is going back. And then Jagannath stopped. Or when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going front, then automatically the wheels of the chariot moving and Jagannath is going. In this way, actually, Srimati Radhika Damani Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he controlled to Krishna. This is that. Just given, because Srimati Radhika is thinking, that Krishna is going to Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Actually, this is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are looking this Jagannath Dev, he is going Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood, Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Because Kurukshetra, that is called Dwarkapuri. Actually, Kurukshetra is a part of Dwarkapuri. And Jagannath temple also this is called part of Dwarka. Vrindavan, that is called the birthplace of Krishna. So now Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, I request to him for this regard, he is going to Vrindavan, or he is spontaneously going or not. If you request me, I am going to your house. That is another way. Or you did not give any invitation or anything. If I used to go to your house, there is another kind of love and affection. है कि नहीं? कोई किसी के निमंत्रण करे इसलिए उनके अनुरोध से मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going, he is requesting for this guy I am going. That means maybe I am not interested to go his house. Just he invited for the night. Or another spontaneous. He invite me or not, there is not any something. That is another kind of love and affection. Yesterday I told in Kurukshetra Prasanga, Krishna told, hey Gopis, yesterday I told you, what did I say? Could you remember? When Krishna met with the Brajvasis one by one. Because when Krishna came, Dwarkapuri to Kurukshetra, that time was very nice, beautiful time. That is called auspicious time. That is called what time? Solar Surya Grahan. Super excellent, auspicious time. And also that place is called Samanta Panchak. All Rishi Munis, they also came and to meet with Krishna. And even Brajavasis, they also came from Vrindavan, Nanda, Yashoda, Subal, Sridham, Srimati, Radhika, all they met. And even many devotees, they also came from Hastinapur. And especially Pandavas, they came. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev, Kunti, Draupadi. And all they met with Krishna. Even though many devotees, they also came from Dwarkapuri also. All they met with Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad very nicely and elaborately explained Kurukshetra Milan. Super auspicious time. So yesterday I told, one by one devotee, they also met with Krishna. And all they felt lack of separation from Krishna. Because after a long separation, now they are meeting with Krishna. Yesterday Subal Sridham, they met with Krishna also. Sakhas, they met with Krishna. And Krishna pacified to them also. Especially Kunti, she also met with Krishna. And many things. Kunti also, she expressed her heart in this way. Yesterday I told. And then Nanda Jasoda, they also met with Krishna. Yesterday I told after Mother Jasoda, she did not speak any word. Her throat completely was choked and tears rolling down. Vatsala. She did not speak any word. Why? She is remembering to Krishna. And Krishna also can't speak any word. And remembering all the sweet childhood pastimes in Vrindavan. That is that. And anyhow, Krishna pacified to Mother Jasoda and Nanda Maharaj in this way. Then finally, gopis, they met with Krishna. And when I also told this katha, could you remember? When Mother Jasoda, she met with Krishna, and Devaki, she became very afraid. Devaki, she is thinking maybe Krishna, he will run away from this air. He will go to Vrindavan. And then Devaki start to speak. And actually Krishna is my son. Just I gave you to nourishment to my son. So I gave this example as like the cuckoo bird. See cuckoo bird, she lays in the nest of crow. Then she crow, she is thinking this is my eggs. And she hatching. And when the baby birds coming, that time she realized this is not her baby. And simultaneously the cuckoo birds, they are coming and making sound. Then all the baby birds, look this. In the same way, Devaki, she expressed her heart. Actually, Krishna is my son. Krishna is not your son. Yes, Jasode, this is not your son. But Rohini Devi, she realized. Then Rohini Devi very quickly caught her hand. Devaki's hand and told, please come. Many kings, many persons are coming, many your relatives are coming. You have to abharthana karo. You have to receive them. And welcome to them. And they are waiting. This katha also explains this. A nice, beautiful this pastime. Then Krishna pacified to Mother Jasoda also. In this way, remembering his many sweet childhood pastimes, this way. Then finally gopis, they met with her, Chandravali, Radha, Lalita, Visakha, all the Sakhis, they also one by one met with Krishna. Chandravali's party, they met very close to Krishna. But Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis little bit far from Krishna. And they also shooted the what is called? Arrows with their eyes. These things. Yesterday I also explained this katha. And then Krishna told to them, hey gopis, why you are angry with me? This is not my fault. Sarvam kalam kritam manne. And according to Kal, time is very powerful. Understand? Only you think. Time is very powerful. Samay Balavan. And in your life, always remember two things. What is called? Time and patience. Kal or Dharja. Understand? When time will come, then we will get everything. Understand? If you planted the tree immediately will not give the fruits. When time will come, the fruits, the tree will give the fruits. This is the nature. Eh? So you have to keep patient. That's the dharma. Eh? So Krishna told to the gopis, "Hey gopi, this is not my fault. Sarvam kalam kritam manne." Everything's performed by Kal. Time is very powerful. Eh? Meeting, separation, this is not in our hand. Eh? This is for Krishna is speaking as like human being, Manavu. Eh? Though he is Bhagavan, but he is teaching to us how the conditioned soul they are meeting to each other. And yesterday I gave an example. If you take one bundle of grass and put in the stream of the river, Nadi ke srot mein chhod, you can see the bundle of the grass after some time staying together. Then after a few minutes, automatically you are split, and going this way, this way, some going east, west, north, and this way. And where they are going, they don't know. Maybe one or two grass again meet together and again. In the same way, innumerable conditioned soul, Ananta Jivas, Baddha Jivas, they are wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. According to the karma, sometimes they are meeting together, that time they also attach to each other and making many types of relationship, mother, father, wife, children, this. But when time will come, then again also. And Kala Samudri Jathanadda. That the rivers enter in the ocean. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. All the rivers enter in the ocean. And in the same way, innumerable living entities, they are wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. And according to the Kalanadda. Kalanadda means the river of time. काल रूपी नदी में हम सब प्रवाहित होते जा रहे हैं और we are going in the rivers of time. When you are meeting together, that time so much attachment to each others. This is yours, this is mine. And making many kinds of relationship. Wife, children, husband, and mother, father, And when time will come, where is going? There are no guarantee again you will meet together or not. लोग कहते हैं ना बोले शादी के समय 7 जन्म 7 पेड़ लगाते हैं 7 जन्म में तुम्हारे पति बन जाएंगे और पत्नी बनेगी. According to the Vedic culture, at the time of marriage ceremony, bride and bridegroom, they also, what is it called?
Circumambulate around the fire.
Circumambulate the fire. They are thinking she will be your 7th birth wife or 7th birth husband. Actually, this is not true. There is no guarantee. Who will die? But both will not die at a time. Maybe 10, 15 years she will be die or he will be die. So where will go? No one can wait for you. That is not true. That is called the imagine. People are thinking this is true. Is it true or not? Only illusion. Maya secrets this type of illusion. Or maybe sometimes also they are meeting together, maybe one time together, maybe not. There is no guarantee. Sometimes people also are saying, Okay, tell me, see, he is my first time my wife or I'm her husband. How do you know? 7 times. But which was the same? First meaning what?
Depending on how much you borrow.
Don't think, okay. If you both are staying together as like pigeon. Pigeon, understand?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. अरे कबूतर के भांति. Pigeon, understand? Pigeon. Pigeon. They are meeting together. Understand? So you were thinking this is your maybe first time. Or every day after marriage, every day quarreling, that means thinking this is the last. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल. समझ में आया कि नहीं? यदि शादी के बाद कबूतर के भांति रह रहे हैं एक साथ में, बहुत चोंच में चोंच मिला करके, तो समझना चाहिए ये पहली बात है. और शादी के बाद ही और रोज क्वारलिंग, तो समझना चाहिए क्या है, ये आखिरी बार है, अंतिम है. क्वारलिंग और नॉट एवरी डे. So you think this is your last finish. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी जाए. हैं? कोई चला गया जाने. हैं? हाँ. So just I also coming back, Krishna specified to the gopis, hey gopis, why you blame to me? This is not my fault. According to the Kal means time. Time is very powerful. Time makes join together and time also makes separate. This is true. All you are meeting together here, sitting here. Then after 1 hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, all we separate. You are going your room, I am going my room, she is going there, she is going. This is true. But if you go to the one place, eternally you will stay in there. That's the place. If you go Guru Vrindavan, Jadgatva Ananivartante, Tadhamam Paramam. Sakale Meliya, Sri Radha Charane, Rohiva, Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. Sakale Meliya. If you go Guru Vrindavan, all you stay together and serve divine couple, Radha and Krishna. नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठों जाम राखो रुचि सोजई ठाकुर रानी की. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन. नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठों जाम. नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठों जाम राखो रुचि सोजई ठाकुर रानी की. जय राधे जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन. हो भई सहचरी राधे रानी की. ओ भई सहचरी राधे रानी की. नित्य सेवा वृंदावन महारानी की. नित्य सेवा वृंदावन महारानी की. जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुट मणि जय गोपीजन. ओ भई सहचरी राधे रानी की. नित्य सेवा वृंदावन महारानी की. नित्य सेवा वृंदावन महारानी की. जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन श्री जय गोपीजन. Divine for Radha and Krishna. Nitya Seva, Nitya Dham. Just Yogmaya, she arranged some separation because this separation, nourishment, the meeting. Na bina vipulamena sambhoga prishti mosante. Four kinds of separation. Vipralamba bhava. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema, Vaichitta. How many? Four. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema, Vaichitta. Here, Prabhas means those who are staying far away to each other. Actually, in Guru Vrindavan, their Prabhas is not long Prabhas, not so much long separation. And just Krishna, he goes to herding the cows. That time Gopiji also feeling separation. And that is called Nikat Prabhas, not Dur Prabhas. Dur Prabhas means not going far. And in Prakat Lila, we are looking Krishna, he goes Vrindavan to Mathura, then Mathura to Dwarka, Dwarka to Kurukshetra, and again Kurukshetra to Dwarka, Dwarka to Mathura, then Mathura to Krishna, again return back to Vrindavan. As Sri Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Laghu Bhagavatam, this Katha also. But here in this Prakat Lila, that is called Dur Prabhas, long separation. But in transcendental world, Guru Vrindavan, there is not long separation. But that is called short separation. Just Krishna, he goes Vrindavan to, he goes herding the cows. This time also very short. But this sort of the gopis, they are thinking, this is long separation. Jugaitam nivesanam chukusapa prishaitam shunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam virodhinam. Jugaitam nivesanam. Just bringing the eyes, that moment, very difficult to separation from, very difficult to tolerate separation from Krishna. कृष्ण थोड़ी समय के लिए गोपियों की आंख से उझल जाती है, समझे हैं, आउट ऑफ हिज sight vision, and gopis they cannot separate, they cannot tolerate. So saying Jugaitam nivesanam chakushapa prishaitam sunnaida jagata sarvam govindam virohinam. That tiny time gopis are thinking billions jugas. Tattva Davar jugas. And million. So saying Jugaitam nivesanam chakushapa prishaitam sunnaida jagata sarvam govindam virohinam. Because why? Because gopis they always absorb in Mahabharata. Understand? Mahabharata. But what is the symptom of Mahabharata? Khanardi kalat. Khanardi kalpatta kalpatte khanardi. 1 second is separation of Krishna. They are saying billions jugas they are meeting with Krishna. Are they millions jugas they meeting with Krishna, they are thinking only in couple seconds. Khanardi kalpatta or kalpatte khanard. Kalpa means one day of Brahma. This is called kalpa. Or one day of Brahma means 1000 Chatur Jugas. Satatrita Dapar Kuliji. In this way, rotation 1000 times. That is called one day of Brahma. 8.4
billion years.
Billion years, he said. Cannot imagine. So now coming in this, Khanardi kalpatta kalpatte khanard. Or gopis they perform Ras dance with Krishna. How many? Ta Brahmaratra. Not one ratri, one night. and millions, the knights of Brahma. Yeah? But gopis, they are thinking, just they met with Krishna, only few seconds. Yeah? You cannot imagine what is really going on this. Yeah? So this saying this kalpatte khanartha or kalpatte khanartha or khanarthe kalpatte. This is the thing. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. When gopis they feel separation from Krishna, especially Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. Then whole world start to shake. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. Tirjog Jati Prapti Lalasa. Tirjog Jati means they are thinking, we cannot meet with Krishna with this what is called woman body. स्त्री शरीर के द्वारा भगवान की प्राप्ति नहीं होगी. So for this regard they are thinking, and you have to take birth in the animals, cats, dogs, or others, and birth. धन्ना स्वमुड़गत मुड़गत हिरण्ययिता जानन्नपात विचित्र वेशम आकर्ण वेणु रणितम स कृष्ण सारा पूजा बदंग प्रणयावलोक. Srimati Radhika, she says, yes, okay, in this human body, especially this gopi sharir and woman body, not possible to meet with our beloved Govinda. So it is better have to give up this woman body, and then we will take birth in the body of deer or others. Then we can easily meet with Krishna. No one can stop to us meet with Krishna. And animals, they are very easy to meet with Krishna. No one can stop to them. Because deer, especially deer. When Krishna plays the flute, then all the deer, male and female, they are running towards Krishna and meet with Krishna. No one stop to them. So further, this is called Tirjog Joni Prakti Lalsa. Or another, what is it? Kanarde Kalpate Kanarda Tirjog Joni Prakti Lalsa. There are many. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. Whole Brahmanda. Complete respect to say. When especially Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. And we are saying this is called, what is called? Puja, earthquake. Actually this is not earthquake. Earthquake coming from where? When Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. Then whole Brahmanda start to shake. Brahmanda Chubhakarita. Tirjagdani Prakti Lalsa. Or how many symptoms I did tell? 4. Khanarde Kalpatte Khanarda, 2 हो गया. Tirjagjani Prakti Lalsa. Brahmanda Chubhakarita, 4. Or another 2. Maybe later I will tell. Why I am saying? Because he had actually discussed this thing. All the gopis, they are called Mahabhavavati. Mahabhav Lakshana. Highest stage of Mahabhav.
Meeting in separation.
Separation. Milan, Viraha, Milan. So just I also this thing. Actually Krishna told the gopis, Bhavati Nang Mahabhaga, मई भक्ति ही भवती नाम. अरे खाली स्टडी I told this sloka. मई भक्ति भूतानां Krishna told, actually Krishna indirectly, he told to the gopis, I am Bhagavan, Mai Bhakti Bhutana Amrityata Kalpate, Jatsimna Modasana, Bhavatinang Madapana. Bhavatinang Madapana. Krishna told, hey gopis, you have come from Vrindavan, or I have come from Dwarakapuri, and both are meeting together. Why? Because this is our love and affection. लव मीन्स ही जो प्रेम क्या करते एक दूसरे के चुंबक के भांति खींच करके लाते हैं. क्या बोलो इंग्लिश में बोलो.
brings them together just like magnets.
Magnets attracts the
Spontaneous.
iron. In the same way, the love means this way. If you have love, then automatically you will be
Together.
meet together. If you have no love, no meeting. Love means what? This. Why have you come here? For this regard, Krishna told, hey gopis, bhavatinang madapana. You have so much love and affection with me. For this regard, you have come far from Vrindavan. Or I have love and affection with you. Also I have come from Vrindavan. So now both are meeting together. Bhavatinang madapana. Madhyatta bhava. Yesterday I told two kinds of possessiveness. One is called Madhyatta bhava and Tadyatta bhava. क्या पता? I am yours and you belongs to me, I belongs to you.
Minus.
Which is the best?
Minus.
You are
Mamata. You belongs to me, I belongs to you. And you belongs to me. This is Krishna. Krishna, he belongs to me. मेरे भाव मध्यत्व भाव. That is very powerful. So we discuss about two kinds of love and affection, sneha. Gita sneha and madhur sneha. Yesterday I told her now. Don't forget. Who is the best? Madhur sneha. Yesterday I told her. Madhu means honey. Honey has own taste, not coming for other outside. Just to take the honey and start to lick. Sweetness will come. Or ghee has no own taste. And you have to mix many kinds of ingredients with the ghee, then taste will come. So that means is all. Madhyatta bhava. Madhyatta bhava, this is mine. And you say, my son. And that means the son belongs to me. I belongs to him, then another mood will come. So in the same way, Krishna told, hey gopis, Bhavatinang madapana. Krishna used this word, madapana, madhyatta bhava. You have so much love and affection with me. For this regard, you have come from Vrindavan. And meeting with me. Mai bhakti bhutanang amrityate. Here Krishna just first line says, Mai bhakti bhutanang amrityate kalpate. I am Bhagavan. Krishna indirectly saying, I am Bhagavan. Because this is the nature of all the living entities. They attached with Lord. Mai bhakti bhutanang amrityate kalpate. Amrit sarup mein. Krishna says, Amritasya putra. All the living entities, they are sons and daughters of Lord. Our Upanishad also saying this. Amritasya putra. All you are Amritasya putra. All your sons and daughters of Lord. Love and affection. And Samandagya. So that when Krishna told this katha, then Gopis little bit upset. Why? Because why you are saying you are Bhagavan? Actually, Gopis, they never want to listen this word, Krishna is Bhagavan. And they don't believe also, Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh? Understand? Gopis' mind completely set, fixed. If Krishna's, many times Krishna told, I am Bhagavan in my lila, but Gopis, they don't believe. Eh? Once Krishna told, hey Gopis, always you criticize to me. Do you know? I am Bhagavan. Which Bhagavan are you? We did not see any symptoms of Bhagavan. Then do you know? In Treta Yuga I was Ram. Hey, you were Ram. We know. We heard about Ramchandra's Lila. Purnamasi Devi told. Ramchandra always is fixed his rules and regulations of the society. For this he is called Marjada Purushottam. Ekapatni Vratadhari. He completely one pointed with one wife Sita. But you, stupid nonsense guy. Gopis, they also criticize. You are chasing, running behind the Gopis. And you see any Gopi that is, you are saying, this is my wife. Look this thing. Not married, but you are saying, oh, she is my wife. Lalita Devi said, hey, this is Vrindavan. Krishna said, Vrindavan? Vrindavan Devi is my wife. So this Vrindavan is my own property. Wife's property means my property. Then Srimati Radhika, okay, Vrinda Devi, she is here, call to her. Then Vrinda Devi, she come. Ask Vrinda Devi, have you been married with Vrinda or not? Vrinda Devi says, how possible I married this black guy? How possible? Hare Krishna is as like, what is called? Turag Brahmachari. Horse Brahmachari. Horse Brahmachari, understand? Turag Brahmachari. Turag means horse. Turag means horse, very calm and quiet. When horse is staying alone, calm and quiet. As the horse looks the female horse, then completely mad. So for this regard, Gopi, they joked with Krishna. Oh, you are Brahmachari, good Brahmachari. Turag. Look this. So for this regard, there are many laughing and joking with them. This time. So, actually, then Krishna told, okay, don't you believe? But no, we don't believe you are Bhagavan. In Treta Yuga, he was Ram. He was Ram? Yes. We heard Ramchandra, he built the bridge over the ocean with his monkeys. Could you make one bridge over this pond? You know, why not? Then Krishna played the flute, thousand monkeys came. Then Krishna just told the monkeys, hey monkeys, who built one bridge over this pond. Then monkeys, they brought million stones and floated in the water of the pond. Then automatically the stone floated in the water. And we made very nice, beautiful bridge. Gopi thinking, this is true, real bridge or an artificial? They checked. Then Gopi told, oh, that means Krishna, he knows some mystic power. Black magic maybe. If you go Kambavan, nearby, what is called? Bimala Kunda, just 1 kilometer nearby Bimala Kunda. They are also, that is called Rameswar Setubandhani, they are also. And even Krishna also established the Shivji, as like Ramchandra he established Shiva Murti, and Shivlinga, in the same way, that also present there and consider. This Leela even. But Gopi, they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Because Gopis Das, they think one thing, that Krishna knows some mystic power, or maybe sometimes Narayan possesses in his body. Narayan कभी कभी उनके ऊपर अभिष्ट हो जाता है, इसलिए नारायण को एक काम कर लेते हैं. As like ghost possesses someone's body, then that time he is doing many things. In the same way, Narayan, only one Bhagavan, they believe only one Bhagavan, Narayan. Or who is now staying in our house in the form of Salagram Sila. ब्रजवासियों के मन में एक ऐसे संस्कार है, ये लोग भगवान किसको मानते हैं? नारायण के. वो नारायण भी कैसे हैं? उनके घर में सालग्राम की शिला में विराजमान है, वही भगवान. ये कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान, ये विश्वास नहीं होते, क्योंकि at the time of during that time of name giving ceremony, Nam Sanskar, that time Gargacharya he told to Nanda Maharaj, hey Nanda Maharaj, Narayana Samaguna, your son has many qualifications, the qualification of as Narayan. So they are thinking this way. Krishna is origin Narayan, Krishna is Bhagavan. They don't believe. That is sanskar, impressions. For this is called Madhurya Leela. There are two kinds of Leelas of Krishna. Krishna दो प्रकार की लीला होती है, एक ऐश्वर्य पर लीला और एक माधुर्य पर लीला. Understand or not? One Leela as like ऐश्वर्य, affluence, or another is called sweetness, madhurya. But madhurya Leela, the sweetness inside in there, and that ऐश्वर्य completely covered with sweetness, madhurya. Krishna manifests all the opulence in Braj, but no one believes Krishna is Bhagavan. कृष्ण जितने वृंदावन में जितने ऐश्वर्य प्रकाश किया, और जगह में इतने ऐश्वर्य नहीं दिखा, किंतु तथापि ब्रजवासी लोग कृष्ण के भगवान मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. देखिले ऐश्वर्य नामानी ऐश्वर्य चेतन चेतन. They saw all the opulence of Krishna. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights. They saw. Krishna danced on the hoods of Kaliya. कलियों के सब फना हजारों फन पर कृष्ण नृत्य किया. They saw. कृष्ण दावानल पान किया. कृष्ण ate the fire, drank the fire. But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Could you take the one spark of the fire on your mouth? Look, but Krishna, he ate the fire. Davanal Bhakshan Leela.
Forest fire.
Forest fire.
Big fire.
Look this. So why I am saying this thing? Krishna manifests all his opulence in Braj. And Brajavasi, they saw all Krishna's opulence, Aishwarya. But they don't believe Krishna.
Killing the demons.
He killed many demons also. Putana, Gasur, Bakasur, but they don't believe Krishna. So now why I am saying, because when Krishna told Bhavati, Mai Bhakti Bhutanam Amrityat Kalpate Madasin Asin Simna Bhavatinam Madavana. Then Gopis, they become very angry. Avushate Nalinanabo Padaravindam जोगेश्वरी हृदय विचिंत अगाध बोधि संसार कूपोदितोत्तरवलंबनम गेहं जुषामपि मनस्वात् सदान. Actually, Krishna told, "Hey Gopis, why are you feeling separation from me? I am Bhagavan. I am Paramatma, super soul. I am staying everywhere." Brahma ji, he performed hard austerities, how to deliver from this material world. Especially those who are suffering three folds of Maya. Maya किताब जला की जरा दर्दीभूत हो रहा है जी. भगवान के ध्यान करने पर, if you meditate to Lord, then you free from all the misery. भगवान के ध्यान करो. You have to meditate to Lord. इसे कहते हैं औष्ठते नलिनाभो पदारविंदम जुगेश्वरी विचिंत अगाध बोधि. Gopis, they become very angry and told, "Hey Krishna, you have to give this type of instruction to Brahma, who has vast of knowledge. He may meditate your lotus feet and how to deliver from this material world." Look this thing. Why? Because Brahmaji is completely what? Innocent person. Gopis, they are saying. ब्रह्मा बुद्धिमान नहीं है, निर्बुद्धि है. क्यों? ब्रह्मा जी he manifested from from the lotus. At the lotus stand, एक stem, touch in the कहाँ? कीचड़ में है. कीचड़ समझते हो? muddy है. So for this regard, Brahma is called less intelligent, निर्बुद्धि. इसलिए कह रहे हैं आहुष्टते नलिन नाभ पदारविंदु जोगेश्वरी विचिंत अगाध बोधि. So for this regard, Brahma, he also attached with this material world. For this regard, he is meditate, your lotus feet, and how to deliver this material world and attain to it. But we don't want to meditate your lotus feet. And other hands, when we meditate, when we just remember your lotus feet, then our hearts start to melt. Kyun? Why? Because your feet is very soft. When you walk on the path of Vrindavan, that time you cannot tolerate, because you are feeling so much pain in your feet. How Gopi, they have love and affection with Krishna. Jatti sujata charanam mujurvastanesu bhitasane dudimyo karkaresu. This sloka is very nice. Gopi is the last sloka. Now coming this. Ahushchate nalinava padarvindam Jogeshwari hridhi vichinta agada bodhi Sansara kupa patiduttarna brahmanam Gehang yusampi manasya sadhana. We don't want to go out from this our house. We want to stay in our house. মনের মন মন মোর বন বৃন্দাবন মনে মনে এক করি জানি তাহাতে তোমার পদদ্বয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি. This is the mood of Srimati Radhika Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just recited. অনের মন মন মোর মন বৃন্দাবন. Others mon is called so-called mind. Others mind is called so-called mind. But Gopis, they told, my mind is non-different from Vrindavan. Hey Krishna, please manifest in our Hridaya Vrindavan, temple of heart. हृदय मंदिर में आप प्रकट हो जाइए. मन मन मंदिर रह निशिदीन कृष्ण मुरारी मन मम मंदिरे रह निशिदिन कृष्ण मुरारी है? भगवान वृंदावन दर्शन करना चाहते हैं? कौन वृंदावन दर्शन करना चाहते हो? Do you want take दर्शन वृंदावन? How to take दर्शन वृंदावन? आर कवि निताई चंदेरी करुणा हुई वे संसार वासना मोर कवि तुच्छ हवे विषय छाड़िया कवि शुद्ध हवे मन कवि हम हिरव वृंदावन. When our heart will be free from unearths, unwanted things. When your heart will be neat and clean, Suddha Satta, understand? Then you will see real Vrindavan. Now you are going Vrindavan. Actually, you are not looking Vrindavan. Because in your heart, lot of unearths, lust, anger, stupidness, rascal things. So how possible Vrindavan will manifest in your heart? How possible to see Vrindavan? So saying this. Aar kabe nitai chandir koruna hoibe. When you will receive this mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then heart will be neat and clean. Aar kabe nitai chandir koruna hoibe. Sansar vasana mor kabe tuchha hoibe. When the sansar vasana desire to enjoying the material sense gratification. This vasana desire will completely free from our heart. Our heart will be neat and clean. Suddha Satta Vishesatma Prema Sujjang Suma Bhaka Ruchi Vichitta Smarshan Kridasu Bhava Uchyate. Bhavadasha. When you come in the stage of Bhavadasha, then you can see transcendental Vrindavan, Aparakita Vrindavan. Understand? So saying, Aar kabe nitai chandi kuruna hive, sansar vasana mor kabe tuchha have, vishaya chhariya kabe suddha have man. When our mind will be free from all kinds of material desires. Suddha chitta. Then you can see Vrindavan. Understand? You cannot see Vrindavan now. What is the difference Vrindavan and wisdom? Nothing. If you go Vrindavan, you can see same houses, same car. Maybe your car is big car, big house. That's this thing. Everybody is very comfortable life. Or Vrindavan, also they are birthplace. Narrow lanes, many pigs, cows. They are running on the road, and many monkeys also there. They disturb you. If you are closet, then monkeys grab on your shoulder and very nicely. What will you do there? If you go Vrindavan, what will do there? If you say, I will go Vrindavan. What will do Vrindavan? What will do there?
Drink mango lassi.
To drink mango lassi. Aam ki sabzi. Understand? $1 80 rupees. So 8 days very easy to mango shake. $1. How many days you can drink? 8 days. 10 रुपए में तो मिल जाता है, पता नहीं कितने रुपए में तो पाए। 10 रुपए में एक ग्लास मैंगो से मिल जाएगी, फ्रूटी मिल जाएगी। So easy to drink mango से। What to do there? Dabejo. Or have to really to take darshan to Vrindavan, to bhajan and sadhana, and give up all kinds of material attachment, asakti. These things. वृंदावन दर्शन कब होता है? वृंदावन देखना कितना सुंदर है। अरे हम लोग क्या करें, एक बार गर्ग संहिता में वर्णन हो रहा, गर्ग संहिता की कथा सुनाता हूँ, हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा करूँ। एक बार कृष्ण द्वारकापुर में रहते हैं, रात में उठ करके रोते, हे राधे हे ललिते हे विषेके, crying and crying and crying. Sometimes Krishna embraced to Rukmini, hey Chandravali, why are you crying? I am coming soon. Sometimes Krishna embraced to Satyabhama, hey Radhe, don't cry, I am coming, I am coming. And then Satyabhama says, hey, I am not Radha. Rukmini is saying, I am not Chandravali. Why you are uttering you? Who are that girl? Mind disturb or not? I am your marriage wife. Why are you remembering other girls? Mind disturb or not? That means you love someone who is not your married wife. Why you should Krishna crying. And sometimes Krishna glorified about and Srimati Radhika, especially Krishna, most of the time glorified about Srimati Radhika. राधिका के बारे में कृष्ण बार बार महिषियों के निकट बताते रहते। कभी गुस्सा हो जाए ना, है कृष्ण गुस्से से है, कहते यार तुम लोग क्या सोच करके रखे हमें, है मैं कमी पुरुष नहीं हूं, तुम लोग के साथ विवाह आदि करके मैं यहीं पर आ रहा हूं, है। अरे गोपियों की जो प्रेम महात्म वो तो तुम लोग के पास, तुम लोग उनकी जो है पाषाण की बराबर भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है तुम लोग। उनके सौंदर्य माधुर्य प्रेम माधुर्य तुम लोग क्या है, कुछ नहीं। कृष्ण कभी कभी गुस्से से जो है सच कथा बोल देते। कोई गुस्सा हो जाता है ना, है उनके हृदय से वास्तव बात निकल करके आ जाता है। इफ एनीबॉडी बिकम वेरी एंग्री, extremely angry, that will be real truthness coming from his mouth. कोई ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाए ना, है उनके मुख से क्या होता है, वास्तव जैस सच रियलिटी वो निकाल आ जाता है। कृष्ण एक बार द्वारकापुर में गुस्सा हो गए, रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि, है तो कृष्ण ने कहा दिया, अरे तुम लोग क्या है, तुम लोग के सौंदर्य माधुर्य क्या है, कुछ नहीं है। अरे गोपियों की जो सब प्रेम माधुर्य, उनके रूप माधुर्य कितना सुंदर है। क्या तुम लोग लिखे पढ़े इसलिए यही सोच रहे हो? अरे ये गोपियों की जो है सौंदर्य माधुर्य, उनकी जो वाक चातुर्य ना, सारे वेदों की एक एक ऋचियां मानो साक्षात रूप में उनकी जिहा में है नृत्य करते रहते हैं। वास्तव में सत्य है, कृष्ण सत्य बोल रहे हैं। वेदों की जो ऋचियां, एक एक श्लोक जो है वो साक्षात मूर्तिमान हो करके गोपियों की डांसेस ऑन देयर टंग। और क्या बताओ, उनके रूप माधुर्य कितने, हाउ गोपीज आर ब्यूटीफुल, हाउ दे आर स्पीकिंग, डोंट यू थिंक गोपीज दे आर innocent village girls, all the Ved, Puran, Upanishad, dancing on their tongue. So one day, all the queens of Dwarka, they request to Krishna, we want to see Gopi, especially Srimati Radhika. How is she? Because Krishna most of the time glorified about Radhika's prema mahatma, the glory of Srimati Radhika. So all they are thinking how to. And time is very powerful. And at the time of one pilgrimage place, that time Srimati Radhika with her Sukis came in that place. What is it? No. And this Katha in Garga Samhita. Garga Samhita, very nice, beautiful this Katha also. That is called, you can read my book, read that book, Madhusmita Radha. You have? Madhusmita. There. So they also, Srimati Radhika and Sati, they also came in that the pilgrimage place. Then Krishna also came with Rukmini Satyabhama in the place.
Solar eclipse.
No, this solar eclipse कथा नहीं, ये तो भागवत की कथा solar eclipse, किंतु ये सिद्ध आश्रम की कथा है, ये गर्ग संहिता की कथा है. Another pastime. गर्ग संहिता में अनेकों लीलाएं हैं कथा वर्णन. तो सिद्धाश्रम में ये राधा आदि गोपियाँ आई और उधर द्वारका से रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा है, 16,000 महिषी जो है ये सब आई है. तो जब आए हैं तो राधा आदि गोपियाँ जो थोड़ी दूर जो अपने टेंट लगाया, they put their tent. और रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा they also very nice beautiful tent and other side. But when they arrived that time, a little bit darkness. For whole night, the queens of Dwarka, they are very eager. So when morning will come, sun rises, and all will go to take darshan to Srimati Radhika. Because Krishna always glorified about Srimati Radhika, Radhika Prem Mahatma, Radhika Rup Sundarjo Madhurjo. These things. So all the queens, especially Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are very eager to take darshan to Srimati Radhika. How is she? So whole night they can't to sleep, Rukmini, Satyabhama. Then early in the morning, then they were very eager to take darshan to Srimati Radhika. Very nice. Jogmaya she arranged these things. Srimati Radhika she is staying as very nice, beautiful, as like Vrindavan. Srimati Radhika is one very nice, beautiful kunja is there. And then Rukmini Satyabhama, I think Rukmini she came. Rukmini and her Satis they came. Rukmini she came. And the first gate, one lady she is there. And all the chanting. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Because Vrindavan, no one chanting Krishna Nam. What are they chanting?
Radhe, Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. And when Rukmini Devi, she saw and on the gate of Kunja of Srimati Radhe, that time one young girl. That time when Rukmini Devi she saw, they went, oh, maybe she is Radha. Very nice, beautiful, long eyes, patal chera aankh, patal chera chok. You understand? Eyes, very long eyes coming to here.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice, beautiful, attractive, beautiful, attractive. And complexion, complete work, molten gold, and so much, and effulgence coming. Then Rukmini she is thinking, oh, my husband Krishna, he glorified about him. Maybe she said, oh, are you Radha? That is, no, I am not Radha. No, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. That is, oh my God. Because if you are Radha, you cannot chant your own name Radhe. That time she realized, Rukmini she realized, maybe she is not Radha. They cross that, then say, okay, you want to take darshan to Radha? Yes. And okay, go, another gate. Then Rukmini Devi with her Sakhis entered another gate, then saw another And very nice, beautiful, another young girl. She is there. And very nice, beautiful this. And then Rukmini Devi, she thinking, oh, maybe she is Radha. And doing pranam. Oh, are you Radha? Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. No, I am not Radha. Hey, answer. Well, who are you? Well, I am Visakha. Okay, well, we want to meet with Srimati Radha. Okay. Hey, understand? If you go Vrindavan, what will you say? Radhe, Radhe. Or we chant Krishna, Krishna. Others name, then Brajavasi is thinking maybe he has come first time, but he has no etiquette to how to behave with the Brajavasi. If you go to the market, what will you say? Radhe. Brajavasi, they are not saying give me then, just saying. If you call to them, Radhe, then they understand. Okay. What do you want? How to call the people? Radhe! If you call the rickshaw, what do you say?
Radhe, Radhe.
Hey, Radhe! What would you call rickshaw? Understand? If you go Vrindavan, Braj, just till sound the Radhe, then everybody alert, what do you want? And everybody looking towards us and calling to him. So that is, oh, maybe this person has come new. And she does not know our Braj etiquette. Okay, what do you want? Basically, oh, you want to meet with Srimati Radhe. Okay, get another gate. Because Jogmasi arranges. Another gate. And the one young girl, she is sitting, just laying down against the wall, and one hand this way, and thinking. And she is very beautiful, attractive also. That time, Rukmini Devi is thinking, maybe she is Radha. Saying, hey, Radhe, Radhe, doing pranam. Are you Radha? Then say, no, Radhe, Radhe. I was saying I am Radha. I am not Radha. Okay? I am Lalita. Oh, okay. I think this is your first time you have come here, Vrindavan? Well, yes. Okay, first is you don't know the etiquette. Brajavasi, word etiquette. Okay, what do you want? Want to meet with? I want to meet with Srimati Radhe. Okay, go next door. Then finally, Rukmini with her Sakhis entered in. Then that kunja, very nicely, Jogmasi arranged. Very nice, beautiful kunja. And Srimati Radhika, just she is laying on the bed of petals. Pankuri came for petals.
Lotus?
Lotus.
Tulak.
And just is laying on the bed. And her body, very nice, beautiful, soft body. And her feet, and as like Ratul Charan, very nice, beautiful, attractive. And all the effulgence coming from her body. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. Her hairs, all lips and body. And just says, sometimes he chanting, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Understand? And that time, Rukmini Devi, she realized, she is Radha. Then Rukmini Devi, she paid her obeisances, pranam. When they asked, who are you? Then she is very humble, she told, just I am an ordinary Braj girl, she told these things. And her every was very humble, Dini. Her talking, her love and every second they realize. And every second she just chanting, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire, Jaha Jaha Netra Bade, Taha Krishna Spure. That time Srimati Radhika, she asked, who are you? Then Rukmini, she told, I am the marriage wife of Krishna. When heard this word Krishna Nam, then Srimati Radhika cried. Oh, you are great fortune. Then you married with Krishna. And always you staying with Krishna. Marriage wife means that. Always staying with him, your husband. You are great fortune. And such. Tears rolling down from her eyes. And, oh, you are great fortune. And you are always staying Govinda. And Srimati Radhika, she glorified about Rukmini. Hey Rukmini, you are great fortune. We are Kangalini. We are completely what? Beggar. Then Srimati Radhika, she expressed so many things about our humility, and these things. Then Rukmini Devi, she thinking, and so long time and talk with each other, very nice sweet. Srimati Radhika's every word very sweet. And touched the heart of Rukmini. Rukmini's heart completely melted. Then Rukmini is thinking, what kinds of prem in our heart, our beloved Govinda. And they think. Then finally, Rukmini Devi is thinking, I have to feed something to her. Then Rukmini Devi, she gave little bit milk, hot milk. Srimati Radhika, just a little bit touch and left milk. Then Rukmini, she returned back. And in her tent, when Rukmini Devi returned back her tent, then Krishna is laying on the bed and Krishna is saying, hey Rukmini, I am so much feeling pain on my feet. Then Rukmini Devi, she was massaging the feet of Krishna. This is very nicely explained, Garga Samhita. Then suddenly Rukmini Devi, she saw so many also, what is called, blister, and on the soul of Krishna. I can niche the soul. Soul. And so many blister. Then Rukmini Devi, she asked my husband, why this blister coming from your soul? Why? Then Krishna told, hey Rukmini, you met with Srimati Radhika? Yes. You also gave hot milk? What is that? Meaning, Srimati Radhika, she drank the hot milk. Or what happened? When Srimati Radhika, she drank the hot milk, you gave, for the blister coming in my feet. Rukmini said, how possible? Srimati Radhika, she drank the little bit of hot milk. Or your feet blister. Why? Then Krishna told, hey Rukmini, do you know? And actually when Srimati Radhika just little bit drank the hot milk and then touched the hot on my feet. Actually Srimati Radhika, she keeps my feet on her heart. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Then Rukmini, she realized how Srimati Radhika, she keeps to Krishna on her heart. So that means Krishna externally he is staying in Dwaraka, but internally Krishna, he is staying in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Radha Rani ki Jai Jai. I also explain this katha, this book. So this katha is coming from Garga Samhita.
So when this one said, Ya Kumara Hara,
It will come.
it will come.
Jo Kumara Hara. What is this? The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited many verses. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरो गोविंद बल हरि गोपाल बोल गोविंद बल हरि गोपाल मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी संयम बनहारी मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी गिरिधारी सन बनहारी हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि मधुस्मिता राधा है आपके पास?
हाँ
मधुस्मिता राधा
हाँ
आपके पास है कि नहीं?
नहीं
पिछली बार आया था, दिया था तो।
नहीं
अरे देखो मधुस्मिता राधा
हाँ
2019 and after Kartik I also manifest this grantha.
हाँ
Do you have here?
They're sold out.
मधुस्मिता राधा
Sold out copies.
sold out.
Yes.
गन
No, sir. Could you bring this? You have there. You did not bring? Huh? Where is the book? बहुत अच्छा ग्रंथ है।
द्वारकार कृष्ण तो द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण ही इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ব্রজেন্দ্র নন্দন
हाँ।
তো ওর মধ্যে কি করে
अरे तत्व तो एक ही है ना। सिद्धांत सप्त भेदसु कोपि शिशु कृष्ण रसनोत्कृष्टते रसमेव अवस्थिति। तत्व विचार में भगवान एक ही है, एक अद्वय ज्ञान परतत्व न अद्वयम अद्वयम है। किंतु जब रस विचार आदि करते हैं तब विविध रूप में दिखाई पड़ता रहता है।
तो ये थे द्वारका लीला है, कुरुक्षेत्र लीला है, रस विचार नहीं।
इसलिए तो व्यासदेव ने अलग करके ग्रंथ रचना किया ना। और इसके बाद जो है ये क्या बोले, इसलिए महाप्रभु इसके बोले रूप गोस्वामी पाद की कहा और सप्तभामा स्वयं भी बोले मेरा हमारा नाटक पृथक करी करो रचन। तत्व विचार में तो एक ही तो है। इसलिए गर्ग संहिता में तो व्यासदेव की ग्रंथ है ना। व्यासदेव गर्ग संहिता किसका ग्रंथ है? व्यासदेव का है ना। गर्ग संहिता, गर्ग संहिता जो है, गर्ग संहिता नाम सुना कि नहीं जगह है आपके पास? तो उसे आप देखना, उसने पढ़ा है उसमें तो ये लीला है। ये लगे थोड़ा मैंने और जगह में थोड़ा सा लेकर के थोड़ा इलाबोरेट करके बोला बताया। जैसे वो कुंज के जा सजा वो तो और दूसरी ग्रंथ में है। कोई कथा को जाए एक कथा को दूसरे ग्रंथ को सजा करके बोलना पड़ता है, नहीं तो लोगों के इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा। आज किंतु है तो ये लीला। रुक्मिणी तो आई थी मिलने के लिए। ये सिद्धाश्रम की कथा है। एक जो है कथा जो है सिद्धाश्रम है, जब ये लोग आए थे उस समय मिले थे। बहुत सुंदर। इसलिए तो लोगों के कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं ना। इसलिए तो बस इसने नारद ऋषि ने कहा ये तुम सारी लीला को दर्शन करके फिर लेटेस्ट पुराणों श्रीमद् भागवत के प्रकाश करो। किंतु है तो लीला। असल वास्तव क्या है, इसके तत्व ये विचार है, जब ये ग्रंथ कोई लिखाया जाता है, सिद्ध महात्मा कोई ग्रंथ लिखते हैं, वो ग्रंथ जब लिखते हैं तो जो कृष्ण की जो लीला चलती है ना, वो लीला को दर्शन करके अनुभव करके लिख रहे हैं। किंतु कभी कभी हो जाता है क्या, ब्रह्मांड की लीला, एक ब्रह्मांड के दूसरे ब्रह्मांड की लीला चल रही है, उस लीला कभी कभी एक ब्रह्मांड में नहीं है, उस ब्रह्मांड में, इस ब्रह्मांड में, उस ब्रह्मांड में नहीं है। और ये जरूरी नहीं है। जीव गोस्वामी पाद जीव गोस्वामी पाद संदर्भ में लिख रहे हैं। रूप गोस्वामी पाद जो है क्या बोले, इसमें भी ग्रंथों में लिखते हैं। कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि कृष्ण के सब लीला एक ही ब्रह्मांड में चले। कोई की ब्रह्मांड वो लीला नहीं है, दूसरी लीला में नया लीला हो जाती है, पुराना लीला आ जाती है, फिर नया लीला भी आ जाती है। इसलिए कहते अद्यावधि सही लीला करे गौर राय, कोनो कोनो भाग्यवान देखी बारे पाए। जब व्यासदेव जी ग्रंथ जब लिख रहे हैं भागवत के छोड़ करके, आगे जो 17 पुराण जो लिखा, उसमें जो ग्रंथ जो लिखा है, किसी किसी ब्राह्मण में जो लीला चल रहे है उसके अनुभव पूर्व को चिंतन करके लिखते जा रहे हैं। कहीं की सीक्वेंस भी नहीं रहता है। जैसे आप गर्ग संहिता पढ़िए, सीक्वेंस आपको नहीं मिलेगा। बोले ये क्यों हुआ ना, वो जो लीला आदि चल रहे हैं उस लीला को दर्शन करके लिखते जा रहे हैं। भागवत में लिखा एता परं तनुभो भुवि गोपबद्धो गोविंद एवं निखिलात्मी रूढ़ भावा जद वंचन्ति जद भुवयो मुनंच। कितना श्लोक सुंदर लिखा। उद्धव जो कह रहे हैं, एता परं तनुभूतो भुवि गोपबद्धा गोविंद एवं निखिल आत्मनि रूढ़ भावा वंचन्ति जद भुवो मुनंच। एता शब्द जहां पर आता है, एता शब्द संस्कृत में होता है जहां पर साक्षात में हम दर्शन कर रहे हैं और ऐसे अंगुली निर्देश होता है। जैसे इस किताब के ले आओ, एताहा बहुवचन है। हाँ, इसे अंगुली निर्देश करके धन्नास मूढ़ो गतो हिरण्य एताहा। एता संस्कृत में एता शब्द होता है जब साक्षात में दर्शन और उंगली निर्देश होता है। ये कोई किताब के ले आओ, हम नहीं देख करके कहा, वो दूसरी होता है। और जो मैं उंगली इस किताब के ले आओ, ये ताहा बा, इस किताब के ले आओ, बहुवचन में है। तो मतलब कि हमें देख रहा हूं और उंगली निर्देश करके पर्टिकुलर। तो उसी समय व्यासदेव जो जब लिख रहे हैं, बस सुखदेव उसमें जो बता रहे हैं वो साक्षात में दर्शन कर रहे हैं। टीकाकार ऐसे कहते हैं, संस्कृत में ऐसे होता है, साक्षात इसी को उंगली निर्देश होता है। आप बताओ है। तो ये ग्रंथ जब लिखते रहते हैं ना, तो ये सिद्ध महात्मा साक्षात रूप में भगवान की लीलाओं को दर्शन कर रहे हैं। और वो दर्शन कैसे होते हैं, अनेकों ब्रह्मांड की लीला, कोई ब्रह्मांड उस ब्रह्मांड के लिए, वो तो अलावत चक्र के भांति चल रहे हैं। ऐसे जस्ट लाइक ए फेरिस व्हील बर्निंग फायरवुड। ये जलती हुई लकड़ी के यदि जोर से घुमाया जाए, जैसे आप एक ही जैसे फायर ब्रांड दिखाई, उसी प्रकार भगवान की लीला तो किसी न किसी ब्रह्मांड में चल रही है और भी द्रुत गति से चल रही है। ऐसे नहीं है किसी ब्रह्मांड में पुतनावध हो रही है, किसी ब्रह्मांड में अघासुरवध, किसी ब्रह्मांड में कुछ होती जा रहा है। ऐसी कोई जरूरत नहीं है ये सब में सीक्वेंस में हो। तो जब एक व्यासदेव जब लिखते जा रहे हैं, उस लीला को दर्शन करके उस लिखते जा रहे हैं। ऐसे नहीं ऐसे इमेजिनरी लिख दिया है। क्योंकि व्यासदेव ने ग्रंथ, जितने भी ग्रंथ लिखा, ये सब क्या है, साक्षात रूप में दर्शन करके लिखते जा रहे हैं।
तो ठीक है, लेकिन द्वारका में उनका जो मूड है, वो मूड तो ब्रज कृष्ण का नहीं होना चाहिए।
कौन सा
जो
मूड नहीं, जैसे
में शो के वो बालिश को भिगा दिया।
तत्व तो वही व्यक्ति तो आप यही है ना। आप भालो ही आप डॉक्टर हो अथवा आप लॉयर हो, व्यक्ति एक है कि नहीं है? व्यक्ति एक है। इसलिए आप एक ही श्लोक की याद रख लीजिए, सिद्धांत तत्व भेदेषु ओपी शीशो कृष्ण। According to the conception of the scripture, there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan और राम, एक ही है। अद्वैत ज्ञान परतत्व, यही पढ़ता रहे, अद्वैत ज्ञान, नॉट द्वैत इति अद्वैत, लॉर्ड इज वन है। किंतु वो जो व्यक्ति एक ही है, किंतु जब लीला होती जा रहे हैं तो रस विचार से तब देखते सिद्धांत होते हैं, रसनोत्कृष्टते रसन एवं स्थिति। रस विचार में हम करते हैं तब अलग होता है, किंतु तत्व तो ही है, तो व्यक्ति तो एक ही है।
तो फिर भी he has a different mood there. He does not wear pickup feather. He does not wear.
किंतु स्मरण करेंगे नहीं कर रहे हैं। आप डॉक्टर हो करके आप माता पिता के स्मरण करोगे नहीं करोगे? आप लॉयर हो करके माता पिता के स्मरण करोगे नहीं करोगे? माता पिता तो एक ही है। ভালোই आप डॉक्टर बन के अथवा लॉयर बने, उदाहरण दे रहे हो। व्यक्ति एक है कि आपने है दो पोशाक पहन लिया। जब आप कोर्ट में जाते हैं लॉयर के वेश पहनना, और जब आप हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं तब डॉक्टर। व्यक्ति एक है कि नहीं? ये पोशाक तो केवल अलग दिखा रहे, इसको तो उदाहरण दे रहे ना हैं। तो उसी प्रकार जो कृष्ण भगवान है कि नहीं है, वो द्वारकाधीश हो, मथुराधीश हो और वृंदावन के हो, भगवान है कि नहीं? भगवत्ता उसमें रहता है। भगवत्ता जो है वही रहता है। भगवत्ता को हटा नहीं दे सकते, भले ही वो प्रकाशित हो अथवा प्रकाशित हो, मैनिफेस्ट और अनमैनिफेस्ट अदर थिंग्स, किंतु भगवत्ता उसमें है। भगवत्तार सार कोइल ब्रजी प्रचार है। कृष्ण में तो आत्मारामता आत्मकामता ये भगवत्ता में रहता है। कोई प्रकाश हो न हो दूसरी बात होता है। भगवान कहने पर दो वस्तु रहता है उसमें, आत्मरामता और आत्मकामता, सर्वज्ञता और मुग्धता है। कृष्ण वृंदावन में ब्रह्मा जब गोवत्स हरण कर लिया है, कृष्ण के भगवत्ता आ गया कि नहीं आ गया? पहले तो बिल्कुल जैसे इनोसेंट है, हम जानते नहीं है कुछ। नो मिड्डते और प्रभुपुषी थोड़ा त्वरिदम्बराय जैसे स्तुति आदि हो रहे हैं। कवल वित्र विशाल वेणु है, हाथ में दूधी मिश्री तो अन्न हाथ में रखे हैं, मुख सूख गया है, बगल में जो है बंसी को ऐसे करके रखे हैं, हाथ में जो ऐसे बिल्कुल साधारण एक गोप बालक जैसे है। मेरे सखा लोग कहाँ गए, मेरे बछड़ा सब कहाँ गए? बिल्कुल साधारण एक गोप बालक की भांति है। इसको क्या कहते हैं? इनोसेंट, मुग्धता। और सिमल्टेनियसली देन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स कृष्ण भगवत्ता आ गया कि नहीं आ गया है? यदि ये भगवत्ता नहीं होते तो उसके भगवान नहीं माना जाता है। तो कृष्ण भगवान साधारण एक पुरुष हो जाता, साधारण एक इनोसेंट जीव तत्व हो जाता। आप इसके समझिए, जीव और भगवान में यही तो है। एक शुद्ध संग ज्योति निर्गुण निर्गुणाश्रय सर्वगुण साक्षी, ये भागवत की श्लोक है। भगवत्ता रहता है उसमें, आत्मरमता आत्मकामता है, आसन और सर्वज्ञता और मुग्धता एक ही साथ में समझना। आप एक ही साथ आप जानते हो और कुछ नहीं जानते, ये शब्द नहीं हो सकता है। किंतु भगवान में ये विपरीत शब्द एक साथ में रहता है। यही तो, इसी का तो भगवत्ता है। आप बताओ, इसलिए द्वारकाधीश कहे, मथुराधीश कहे, कुछ भी कहे, ये हम लोगों के समझाने के लिए ये शब्द बोलना पड़ता है। क्योंकि जगत के जीवन को उस जगत में जब जाओगे तब होगा। इसलिए तो जीव गोसाई पाद कह रहे हैं, ये देखो इस संसार में रह करके हम जितने भी कथा बोलते हैं, कहीं न कहीं माया के दोष आ जाता है। कुछ शब्द वही है, हम क्या शब्द व्यवहार करें? माया के शब्द ही तो व्यवहार करेंगे। तुलना तो इस जगत के साथ तुलना देंगे है। क्या भगवान के मुख कमल के भांति होता है क्या? आप बताओ, कमल तो कुछ समय के बाद उसके पंखुड़ियां झड़ जाती है। आप बताओ है? समझ में आया? देखो कृष्ण इतना ही तो कहा दिया। मानगढ़ में जाते हैं राधा जी के लिए कहने लगे, कृष्ण मेरे कुछ वर्णना करो। पहले तुम्हारे साथ कोई वर्णन हो ही नहीं सकता है, पर कृष्ण राधा जी बार बार कहने लगी, हे कृष्ण मेरे कुछ वर्णन करो। तो कृष्ण इतना ही कहा दिया, हे राधे तुम्हारे मुख कितने सुंदर है। बोले कितने सुंदर है बताओ, कितने सुंदर है, कितने सुंदर है। देखते हम कृष्ण ने कहा दिया, ओहो तुम्हारे मुख चंद्रमा की भांति। बस इतना ही कहते राधा जी मान होगी। मानगढ़ में कथा सुनाती है। देखो राधा जी स्वयं कह रही है, पुश कर रही हैं, ये मेरे सौंदर्य वर्णना करो। अच्छा, वर्णना करने के समय हम किसी को यदि वर्णना करें तो हम तो कुछ तो तुलना देंगे ना, उपमा अलंकार व्यवहार करना पड़ता है। अलंकार बिना काव्य नहीं होती है। काव्य शास्त्र किसको कहा जाता है? अलंकार, अलंकार बिना काव्य ही नहीं होता है? नारी के महत्व क्या है? अलंकार है। कोई नारी यदि अलंकार धारण नहीं करे वो नारित्व तो नहीं रहता है। एक शब्द ये है, आपके थोड़ा है ना, हम लोग पढ़ते थे नाट्य, अलंकार धारण करना पड़ता है। नारी ना भूषणम, लज्जानांग नारी ना भूषणम। नारी के अलंकार, अलंकार कहने से आप ये भी अलंकार कह सकते हैं, जैसे अनेक और जो अलंकार क्या बोले, स्वर्ण अलंकार धारण करते हैं। अलंकार माने गुण है, लज्जा, धैर्य, शौर्य, ये समस्त सबके गुण कहा जाता है? अच्छा बताओ, अलंकार काव्य शास्त्र क्या है? अलंकार जो जितने परिमाण अलंकार धारण करते हैं उस काव्य की उतना ही महत्व होती है, उत्कर्ष होता है। बोलने के सही लड़ कुछ नहीं है इस जगत में। रुके सुखे भाव बोलो, वही कथा बोल दो, भागवत की कथा बोलो, कोई सुनेगा नहीं है। जब उसी कथा को, भागवत के श्लोक के आप जब अलंकार के द्वारा बोलोगे, लोगों के हृदय स्पर्श करेगा। हितकर्ण रसायन कथा है। तो देखो कृष्ण ने तो इतना ही कहा दिया, हे राधे तुम्हारे मुख जो है चंद्रमा के भांति। उससे सुनते ही राधा जी बिगड़ गई। अरे चंद्रमा कहां से प्रकट हुई? समुद्र से। और समुद्र के जल क्या है? खारी है। है? चंद्र के पिता कौन हो गया? समुद्र। तो उसमें राधा जी करे क्या, मेरे पिता विश्वभानु महाराज सॉल्टी है। देखो कहाँ कहाँ की कथा राधा जी ले। लॉयर है ना, लॉयर कहीं कहीं नहीं से कहीं अपने आप वो कर लेंगे है। अरे चंद्रमा, तुम हमें चंद्रमा की, चंद्रमा तो धब्बा है, काली धब्बा है। क्या मेरा है इसको निकाल दी। राधा जी नाजी ने कितने तर्क उठा दी। अब बताओ, है? मान हो गया, इसलिए मान हो गया। तर्का तो प्रतिष्णात। राधा जी यही लीला कर रही है? अरे मेरे भाई है सीधाम कितने सुंदर है। चंद्रमा के साथ कौन उठे? हमारे भाई श्रीदाम के तुम ऐसे करते। देखो कैसे कैसे वो लगा लिया। एक लॉयर होता है ना, असली कथा तो रह ही जाता है। लॉयर जो होते हैं ना, जिसके लिए केस चल रहे हैं ना, वो रह जाता है। वो जज के सामने उस कथा को लेकर चलते रहते हैं। हमारे केशव जी गौड़िया मठ में जो वो केस चल रहा था, 50 साल हो गया, अभी केस खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। और लॉयर कहते अच्छा ये बोले, लॉयर बोले अच्छा इसको जज ने पूछा, अच्छा आप ये हो जाए, केस डिसमिस हो जाए, ये दुकान को क्या करोगे तुम? चलो उसके पूछा गया, इसको दुकान इसको दिया जाएगा। अच्छा ये दुकान क्या करोगे, कौन चलाएगा? बोले मेरा बेटा चलाएंगे। बोले तुम्हारे बेटा कहाँ तक पढ़ता है, कहाँ तक पढ़े? बोले मेरे बेटा जो है 10 क्लास तक पढ़े। बोले 10 क्लास के सर्टिफिकेट लिया, उसके साथ क्या संबंध है? आप बताओ। उसके वकील ने कहा दिया नहीं, इसके बेटा 10 क्लास पढ़े ही नहीं है। जज ने कहा अच्छा इसको जो नहीं है, देखो केस कहाँ गए, उसके कोई संबंध नहीं है। जिसके कोई संबंध नहीं है, बोले 10 क्लास जो पढ़े है, पास किया, उसके सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ। अरे दुकान में कोई बड़े 10 क्लास पढ़े, 5 क्लास पढ़े, उसमें क्या होता है? लिखे पढ़े, बिना लिखे पढ़े कि 5 क्लास लड़के की दुकान पर नहीं बैठता है क्या? तो 10 क्लास पास करके ही कि दुकान पर बैठना पड़ेगा क्या? है
झूठ बोला कि नहीं?
हाँ, और उसके लिए कह रहे हैं बोले तुम सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ 10 क्लास के। वो बच्चा 10 क्लास पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा, उसके सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ। दुकान में बैठने के लिए क्या 10 क्लास पढ़ने के लिए सर्टिफिकेट? पान दुकान आप करते हो, पान की दुकान करते हो आप, क्या 10 क्लास के सर्टिफिकेट का भी जरूरत है क्या? डू अंडरस्टैंड? कोई जरूरत नहीं है, किंतु लॉयर ने की है टालते रहते हैं।
उनका तो पैसा चाहिए,
कुछ काम नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक है, नेक्स्ट डेट है उसे। अच्छा 10 क्लास में वो जब फालतू के क्या बोले ये मिल जाता है ना, सर्टिफिकेट लेकर दिखा दिया। अच्छा फिर एक दूसरी केस पर चला गया है। अच्छा कितने साल की है? असली जो केस जो है वो उसके ऊपर चर्चा नहीं होती है, वो 20 साल 10 साल के बाद धीरे धीरे तब वो चलता रहता है।
अभी तक नहीं हुआ बर्थडे?
कहाँ को कुछ नहीं, अभी तो वो तो दुकान अभी तो खड़ा हुआ है,
अच्छा।
सब दुकान से चलेगा अभी तक। अभी अभी बन रहा है पीछे की तरफ, अभी वो भी गेट के सामने वो भी दुकान है, खुल जाता नहीं। इंडिया के लॉ है ना, है बोले सांड भी दूध देती है। लॉ यार बता दे, बोले जा लाओ, बोले सांड भी दूध देती है, बोल दिया। लॉयर कुछ भी बोल सकता है, माने क्या है, प्रूफ करो। माने ये क्या है, केस कचहरी कुछ नहीं है, केवल समय व्यतीत करना है, और कुछ नहीं है।